Tennis anyone? Tennis anyone? Okay, this obviously is not a tennis racket. You know, this is an electric fly swatter. So every once in a while, a company says, hey, we want to send something to you to try it. And I'm like, that's stupid, but I will do it anyway because that's our business. So I got it, and I actually have been having a lot of fun with this. This thing freaking actually works. So this is the unit itself. Operation is super simple. Flashlight on, off. Hit this button, this red light goes on. That means we are juiced up and we can zap things. And trust me, if you touch it, it zaps you pretty good. I'm not going to do that because I know Amazon gets a little touchy about dangerous things, and that would be considered dangerous. But I've accidentally done it. Survived, but it lets you know. And then the other thing that I have done with it is I have actually used it. So I am inside a cage here in Florida, as you can see, because it is buggy outside. So I went out in the evening and I did some battle. And I won. I'm telling you, anybody who came near me, bzz, 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 bzz. No big deal. I shut down a whole pile of mosquitoes and that kind of stuff. Some portions of Florida are now safer thanks to me and this fly swatter, but I'm sure that will not last very long. But in the end, I'm really just here to tell you, yeah, I did try this, and I actually made sure it worked, and I really wasn't thinking it was. I will say, it says all over it, keep away from kids. If I was a kid, I would be playing with this and bad things would be happening, so I'm not sure if I would have this if there was a young Douglas in the house who could get his hands on this. But for anybody else, all the normal people who follow all the good rules and are safe about things, this thing is super cool. This is just a really nice thing instead of having like an old-fashioned fly swatter. The big difference between this and a fly swatter is the fly swatter, you got to get the fly to land, right? And then you got to whack it at the right time. With this, you just intercept the little bastard in the air. You just, bah, bah, bah. That's it. Works much better. All right, enough of my joking around and stuff. This definitely works. Hope this was helpful. See you next time.